Hey guys, it's me, Darcella. Thanks for watching. Do not follow, because if I don't know you, I don't want you following, but you can totally look. You just can't follow. Anyways, thank y'all so much for being here today. I want to share a really wonderful experience I had recently. I used to not have any friends, and my family hated me, and I discovered the reason why no one would be around me was because I didn't wear deodorant. I didn't know what deodorant was. I was never educated about like the process of like deodorant and like its benefits and what it does for you. But anyway, so I went to the Goodwill and purchased a cute little deodorant stick after Googling what it looked like. And apparently you take this cap off. You don't use this. And then you take the gently used stick and you put it under your armpits. I watched the tutorial on how to do this earlier, so this is, oh my God, okay, so, oh my God, it's getting on my hair. Oh my God, that felt so weird. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my, oh my God, it smells so good. Shut up. I think I'm gonna have some friends now. Anyways, it feels so fun, and I'm so pretty right now. Anyway, so that's how you put on deodorant. So if you have the same problem as me, or if you have the same problem as me, fix yourself. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. I got better things to do than talk to you. Mwah.